Alright guys, welcome to another video. We have Rusty Rivets Quick Bits board game, path game, I guess you call it. So it comes with Crush, as you can see, right there in the little corner. Here's the back of the game. I guess it's some kind of race. Rusty and his friends are having a race. Use right bits to get ahead. First to finish wins. Once again, I got this from Toys R Us, 80% off. Open it up. Got some saran wrap on it, or factory seal, what I call it. Okay, careful opening it up. Yep, hold on.
Ooh.
Looks like that's the piece to make the twister part. Board games here. Cards, I guess. Oh, the card. Oh, it's already opened. Oh, it must have been open and sealed again. So this is stuff was already been opened. Yeah, I'll pop them all out. Yep. Those are pieces we're gonna need for this game. And there's the little figurines, and here's the dial where we put the spinner. See how many spaces you get to go.
There's supposed to be 4 of them, but this one has only 2 of these girls.
There's a little birdie.
Oh yeah, there's one.
There's some cards there. So hopefully the pieces are all in here, because I can't really go back to Toys R Us because they're all gone now. So we're gonna put this thing together here real quick.
Here's the game.
There's the board. There's the board right there.
Oh, here it is.
I found it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Here's the board you get.
It's
get
so
to play
little.
on.
Well, it's so little.
Yeah, there's the board you get to play on. Here's Lucy in with us here. Yeah, open that little package up over there. That has the little dial for the spinner.
You put the dial in, but first.
No.
It goes in there.
I know. Yep, just like that. Yep.
There's the dice. Come on out.
So yeah, there we go. Rusty Rivets board game. We'll test it out. See how it goes. Thanks for watching. Click, subscribe, all the good stuff. All right, bye.